Hi, I was looking for a program to put titles on top of images where I had a little bit of control over whether they would go on the top, bottom, left, or right. Couldn't find anything that really worked for me. Plus, I had a little experiment that I wanted to conduct about writing a Python utility that I could install quickly, easily, maintain it, and so forth. So, what I did is I wrote a Python utility called ImageTile. Um, in the Python packaging G Shop, I've uploaded the first release, ImageTile it's called, unsurprisingly enough. So in order to install this on Windows, you need to install Python 3.8. On Windows, that's done very easily nowadays by going to the marketplace, searching for Python 3.8, and then installing it. Once you've got it installed, we need to install something called pipx. Pipx enables you to install a utility, something like ImageTile, and make it available anywhere within Windows. And so I've already done that on this particular computer. But what you would do is open up your terminal. Just zoom in so that you can see that. You would go pip install. Pip is the Python package installer, pipx, and that's already installed. And you need to add the path to pipx into your path so that you can then go pipx, and then you get the pipx command help. So now that we've got pipx installed, we can go pipx install image title. Now this will download all of the dependent packages. It will create a snapshot of Python, put it into a virtual environment, and then create an executable, which is now accessible. Image title.exe. There we go. If we do -help, we would get the help for the function. So to show you how that works, we'll go and find a nice picture, such as this one here on Unsplash. So I'm going to download this. I'm going to just grab the credits, paste them into my text editor. So download that file, we're going to save it, we're going to open the folder. There we have it in the downloads folder. So if we go back to our terminal and if we go cd downloads, dir, there's the image JS file, so image title, input file is J, output by default will be output. We are going to put a title equal to that on the document, and we're going to position it at the top, and we are going to use a font called Arial. There we should have an output. We've got an output. Let's open that up. You can see now we have a photo by Jay on Unsplash. And we've got a couple of other parameters to play with. We could reduce the amount of space that takes up. So I can't remember what the command was. Dash help. The fraction. Number between 0 and 1. So if we make it 0.25, we should now get something that takes up a quarter of the edge of the title. So you can see it's pretty straightforward to quickly put a title onto a picture. Right, I hope you find it useful.